Welcome back to the NetSkill, a weekly roundup your quick eye news fix. Let's dive into this week's highlights. OpenAI's new memory with search lets chat personalize with results based on your preferences. Oh, but it raises privacy concerns. OpenAI tried to by coding tool cursor, but the deal fell through. Now it's Windsurf, showing the fierce competition in i4 developers. Want to cut a costs? OpenAI's new Flex processing offers top models at half the price. The catch is slower speeds impossible delays grade 4 knowledge and tasks. AI is guiding businesses through uncertainty. London startup has launched a $1,500 a year risk advisor that tracks global trade and offers strategic insights. Finally, a Combinator head Jeff Ralston launched a $10 fund backing ethical AI startups. See you next week.